Hi, it's Adam with Eau Gallie Electric again, and I just wanted to reach out and let you know that here at Eau Gallie Electric, we're concerned with the health of our employees as well as our customers. So we do offer a virtual assessment of your home. So if you're looking for someone to come out and give you pricing for a Generac whole house generator, one, you don't have to be on the property if you don't want to be there, and we can still gather the information we need and get you pricing and information about what size generator would work for you. Two, if you wanted to do a virtual visit where we could look at the property together, we would be happy to do that as well. So we just wanted to let you know that we're here for you, and if you needed us to come out in this post-COVID time, we'd be happy to do a virtual assessment. Thank you, and don't forget to like and subscribe.